Hello, my name is Lida Alejandra Cardoso Diaz. I'm explain about a distribution in the information in a technical datasheets. I explain technical datasheet. A product is a guitar. This is a technical datasheet. The product is a guitar, and I explain or expose the distribution of the information in this technical datasheet. In this part or in this technical datasheet, we will information about the guitar square star. On the first part is the basic description of the product, color, series, body, neck. In front of the first part is the technical description of the product: pickups, pickup switching, control, color, strings. Under the basic information, we find the graphic image of the product. The length of the guitar is described above the image of the product. Next to the image, in the inferior part, is the information about width of the guitar. Between the items of length and width is the image of the guitar with a specification of each part. And behind the technical datasheet, the contact is the contact of the manufacturer. Thank you.